What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm hoping everyone having a positive day and had a Thanksgiving. Also, let's be thankful for what we have. And also, I want to thank Runmus for sending out this product, the K3 gaming headset to do a review on. And also hit the subscribe and hit the like button to help the channel out. So let's get started with this video. Alright guys, so this is the Runmus K3 RGB gaming headset that Runmus thankfully sent me this out for me to do a review on. Now this will be my own opinion, my own honest opinion about this product. I was not forced to give it a positive review or negative review. This is 100% my own opinion. Alright, if I was forced to give positive reviews on it, then I would not be accepting the product to do a review on. So I want to be transparent with you guys as my followers and subscribers. So okay, let's open the box, see what we get out of this box. This is the box right here. All right, that's the box. Let's open it up. You got the gaming headset and its packaging. And that's it. And the manuals. Who read the manuals in either way? Pop that back in. Let's put this right here as a decoration. All right, so what do you get out the box? Well, you get the headphone itself and the splitter for the audio and mic input for your PC. Let's take a look at the construction of this gaming headset. All right, so I really think the construction of this is well built and durable. Actually, it's really secure and strong, honest truth. The padding in this area, the cushion, is decent. And the padding right here, there's cushion up here as well. And the materials, the majority made out of plastic and a little bit of metal on this side right here. Metal area on this area. Like I said, the construction, it feels well built for a low budget gaming headset under $30. It's pretty well built actually. And that's the microphone right here with the cat on, or you could take it off, pop that back on. All right, and you have the RGB light right here. It's not plugged in, so let's plug it in real quick and see how it looks like. I got my backup power bank. And this is how it looked like when it powers on. Now this is one set color. You can't change the RGB or anything like that. So this is like a set color breathing RGB light coming from the headset. And the stretchability, as you can see, I don't want to pull too much. I don't want to break it. I feel like right here, that's a stop. Don't pull anymore, you might break it. Or twisting it even harder, I'm afraid it might break. But the durability is pretty good. To adjust the height and length, you just pull it back like so, pop it on. Now it's on my ear. Actually, it felt really comfortable on my head. Not too bad whatsoever. It's nice and snug on it, and it feels really secure. Yep. I believe if you got a bigger head, it may be too tight since it's so snug in my head already, and it's like a perfect fitting depending on how you like it, and it's not bad at all. You also get the controller for the volume or the mute button, the controller for the volume up and down, and the switch to turn off your RGB light, as you can see, or you turn it back on. Now it's back on. And like I said, you got the splitter for your PC. So for you being using this for your PC, you got to make sure you use a splitter. If you don't, then you won't be able to use the audio or the mic at the same time. Just plug that in, pop into your output and your input, whatever it's called, into your system, and you'll be good to go. I love the aesthetic of this. It looked pretty badass to me, in my opinion. You have the RGB light, as I stated, and also have the microphone right here. You can twist it up and down and back, like so. Talking like this, move it back. You want to eat something or whatnot. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Not too shabby, right? So yeah, the construction is not too bad on this. So let's talk about the specs for this headset. According to the specification of this headphone, it have a 50 millimeter powerful driver, 7.1 surround sound. They have a noise cancellation microphone, and also line-on wires. And this will definitely help with about the wire getting tangled up, and better durability, so it doesn't break over time. Also have RGB light, which enhance the headphone. I would say if you're into that, you know, adding RGB to anything, it up the value, right? Now, how does the audio sound like from the microphone? Keep in mind, it varies from person to person. How the audio sound like, since everybody have different type of hearing. What sounds good to one person may not sound good to the other. So it's up to you to determine if the sound quality sounds decent to you. All right, so you will be doing an audio test on the software Audacity, the raw file. So you tell me if it sounds good or not. What's up, guys? This is the audio raw recording using Audacity to record this audio file coming from this gaming headset, K3 gaming headset. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Push left, push right, stop, stop. Now, how does the audio sound like? Well, that is for you to determine. Does the sound quality sound okay using this microphone? Now, I would say it's decent enough to play with your friends online using Discord or voice chat or whatsoever. It will work just fine. It's not the best of the best, but it's decent enough to work as the beginner gaming headset for you guys to use. So yeah, like I said, it's you guys determine that this audio sound okay using this microphone. So let's get back to the video. The sound quality on this is not too bad at all, actually. I was playing Rainbow Six and Call of Duty Modern Warfare, the new one. The sound quality is pretty dynamic and immersed with your hearing. You can hear the ricochet or whatnot. And when I was playing Rainbow Six, I could hear the footsteps in the background. So that's a good thing, because in Rainbow Six, footstep is a good thing to get to know where your enemies is located in the game. So I would say it's good. And you also listen to music, the bass, the vocals, pretty decent in this headset as well. So, and the microphone is not too shabby as well. It's not the best, but it's decent and workable in playing video games if you're into using the microphone. Sometimes I don't even use the microphone. I just play the game itself. If you do use the microphone to voice chat or whatnot, it will work decently. It's not the best of the best, since this is a low budget gaming headset under $30, but it's decent enough to play games and whatnot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this short product review on the K3 Runmus gaming headset. And also I did another review on a different gaming headset. Link will be up here or the description below. Check that out. And don't forget to subscribe and like. It will really help the channel out as well. And so yeah, you guys have a good day, and God bless you guys.